What you do in the first 30 minutes after waking up either puts your body into fat burning mode or locks it in fat storage mode for the rest of the day. Most people are doing the wrong things right after they wake up without even knowing it. And I'm going to show you exactly what to do instead, starting tomorrow morning. Relatable problem. You wake up, you check your phone, maybe grab a coffee, maybe skip breakfast, maybe eat a sugary one. You feel sluggish most of the morning, and by 11 a.m., you're already craving something. Sound familiar? That is not a willpower problem. That is a biology problem. Your morning routine is either setting your hormones up to burn fat or to store it. And for most people, without even realizing it, it's the second one. I had a viewer, let's call him James, 38 years old, not overweight, but carrying that stubborn midsection fat. He changed nothing except his first 30 minutes each morning. In 3 weeks, his energy was up, his cravings were down, and that waistline started shifting. That's what we're building today. Credibility bridge. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete science-backed morning routine you can start tomorrow. No gym, no expensive equipment, no waking up at 5 a.m. Just 5 specific habits in your first 30 minutes that signal your body to start burning stored fat. And I'll also bust the biggest morning myth that's been costing you results for years. Let's get into it. Biggest mistake. The biggest morning mistake? Eating carbs or sugar first thing. When you wake up, your cortisol is naturally at its daily peak. That's not a bad thing. Morning cortisol is your body's natural fat-burning signal. But the moment you spike your insulin with a sugary breakfast, juice, or even a sweetened coffee, you shut that fat-burning window down completely. Think of cortisol as a key that opens the fat-burning door, and insulin as the hand that slams it shut. Most people slam that door within 10 minutes of waking up, and then wonder why nothing works. Step-by-step solution 1. Hydrate before anything else, within 2 minutes of waking. Your body loses 0.5 to 1 liter of water overnight through breathing and sweating. Mild dehydration blunts metabolism by up to 3% and spikes hunger hormones immediately. Before coffee, before your phone, drink 500 milliliters of plain water, room temperature or warm. Add a pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon for electrolytes. This one habit restores hydration, flushes overnight cortisol metabolites, and primes your digestive system. Action item: put a glass of water next to your bed tonight. It removes all friction. 2. Get 10 minutes of natural light, ideally outside. This is the most underrated fat loss habit on this list. Morning sunlight hits your retinas and triggers a cascade. It sets your circadian rhythm, boosts serotonin, and, critically, times your cortisol peak correctly so it does its job of mobilizing fat for energy. People who skip morning light have higher afternoon cortisol, worse sleep, and more fat storage. You don't need a hike. Open a window, step onto a balcony, or walk to get your first drink. Just get light on your face within 20 minutes of waking. Action item: move your morning water ritual to near a window or outside. Combine 2 habits, 0 extra time. 3. Move your body for 5 to 10 minutes before eating. Not a workout, not cardio, just movement in a fasted state. This is called fasted low-intensity activity, and it extends your overnight fat-burning state by 1 to 2 additional hours. A slow walk, some gentle stretching, or 5 minutes of body weight movement, anything that gets blood flowing without spiking cortisol. Intense exercise in the morning spikes cortisol further and can actually backfire for fat loss. Keep it easy. Action item: do 10 squats and a 5-minute walk around the block before breakfast. That's it. Morning and light, unhurried protein as your first food. not carbs. When you do eat breakfast, protein first is the rule. High-protein first meals lower the hunger hormone ghrelin for 4 to 5 hours, stabilize blood sugar, and prevent the insulin spike that shuts down fat burning. Eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, even a protein shake. Anything that hits 20 to 30 grams of protein before carbohydrates. This single swap reduces total daily calorie intake by an average of 400 calories without counting anything. Action item. This week, make your first food eggs or Greek yogurt. No other changes needed yet. Scrambled eggs or bowl of Greek yogurt with berries. Natural light, wooden table, no clutter. 5. Delay your first coffee by 90 minutes after waking. This one surprises people. When you drink coffee immediately after waking, you're adding artificial cortisol on top of your natural cortisol peak, which sounds good, but actually leads to a steeper crash by mid-morning, higher afternoon cortisol, worse sleep that night, and more belly fat over time. Wait 90 minutes. Let your natural cortisol peak and fall on its own. Then, coffee hits harder, lasts longer, and doesn't disrupt your sleep cycle. This is backed by research from the U.S. Naval Health Research Center. Action item. Move your first coffee to 90 minutes after your alarm. Use the morning water habit to replace that immediate craving. Quick wins. Start tomorrow. Beginner. Put a glass of water on your nightstand tonight. Drink it before your feet hit the floor. Zero effort, immediate metabolic benefit every single morning. Intermediate. Add 2 eggs or 150 grams Greek yogurt to your breakfast before any toast, fruit, or cereal. This one shift cuts cravings for the entire morning within 3 days. Advanced. Combine all 5 habits into a locked 30-minute morning sequence. Water, sunlight plus gentle movement, protein breakfast, delayed coffee. Run it for 7 days straight and track your energy and hunger levels daily. Myth busting. Myth 1. Skipping breakfast boosts fat loss. Truth. Skipping breakfast with no protocol behind it just leads to higher cortisol all morning, increased hunger by midday, and overeating at lunch. Strategic morning fasting with proper hydration and movement is different from just skipping. Myth 2. You need a morning workout to burn fat. Truth. High-intensity morning workouts spike cortisol and stress hormones in people who are already sleep-deprived or chronically stressed, the most common profile of someone struggling with fat loss. Light fasted movement is more effective for most people than intense morning training. Myth 3. Coffee is fine first thing. It boosts metabolism. Truth. Coffee does boost metabolism, but the timing matters enormously. Immediate post-waking coffee disrupts the natural cortisol curve, leads to tolerance buildup faster, and worsens afternoon energy crashes, creating a cycle that increases fat storage over weeks. Summary. Here are the 3 most important things to remember. 1. Your first 30 minutes set your hormones for the entire day. You're either opening the fat-burning door or closing it. 2. Water, morning light, gentle movement, protein first, and delayed coffee. That's the entire system. Simple, free, and backed by real biology. 3. You don't have to do all 5 tomorrow. Start with 1. Just 1. The water habit alone will change your mornings within a week. Stack the rest over the following days. Call to action. If this gave you something to work with, hit subscribe. I post practical, science-backed health content every week with zero fluff. Now here's what I want you to do. Pick one habit from this list and comment below which one you're starting tomorrow morning. One word: water, protein, sunlight. Just write it. It takes 3 seconds and it makes you 3 times more likely to actually follow through. And if you want to understand why your metabolism might be working against you, even when you're doing everything right, watch this video next. The morning is the one part of the day that belongs entirely to you. Before work, before demands, before everything else starts pulling at your attention. What you do with those first 30 minutes is a vote for the person you're choosing to become. Cast a good vote tomorrow. I'll see you in the next one.